Take a minute to learn why keeping your Chrome browser updated is good for you. This video will show you how to keep your Chrome browser updated. Normally, updates happen in the background when you close and reopen your computer's browser. But if you haven't closed your browser in a while, you might see a pending update. In the top right of the Chrome screen, you should see 3 dots. If an update is pending, the area will be highlighted with a color. If it is green, the update was released less than 2 days ago. If it is yellowish orange, the update was released about 4 days ago. If the reminder is red, the update was released at least a week ago. It's important to update your browser regularly for security reasons. Each update includes fixes for newly discovered security threats. In addition, updates can bring new features, improve speed and performance, and also keep your browser compatible with the other websites you use. To update, click on the colored reminder. In the drop-down menu, click on Relaunch to update Chrome. Now, when you restart Chrome, it will close all your tabs in Windows. They will reopen when Chrome starts again, but unsaved data will be lost. For example, if you're working on a Schoology assignment and have it open in edit mode, you will lose your progress if you relaunch Chrome. Save your changes before relaunching. If you're working in a Google Doc or spreadsheet, auto-saving occurs every couple of seconds. It happens so quickly I could barely capture this screenshot. At the top of your document or spreadsheet, this will display for a couple seconds every time the item saves. As long as you don't see that, it's safe to relaunch. You will normally also see a notice here that tells you when the item was last saved. Except in cases where you're actively editing, it is safe to relaunch Chrome. Chrome updates happen pretty often, but it is quick and easy to do the update.